This is step one of accessing your Noodle Tools account. So when you get into Noodle Tools, you are going to log in with your Office 365 account by simply entering your email address. So for students, remember that this is the first name, last name at gvcsd.org. For teachers, first initial, last name at genvalley.org. And then proceed by signing in with Office 365. You'll see your name flash in the screen, and then it will automatically sign you in. So in this video, we're going to focus on creating a project and viewing your dashboard. So under your projects, you'll see all existing projects or assignments that you have started. And if you have created one and want to go back in to continue working, you simply click on the blue link to go into the project. If you would like to start a new project, you hit the New Project button. You can give your project a title and choose your citation style and level. So as a beginner, definitely would be choosing MLA, and I would indicate that I'm a starter so that I can get some introductory lessons as I go through and some reminders on what I need to enter into Noodle Tools. As you advance, those reminders will start going away and more information will be asked to be provided. Once I submit this project, it will take me to my dashboard and I can begin filling in the details that are appropriate for this project. So to begin, I can enter my research question. I need to find the location of a country. And I also need to find one fun fact about the country. If I have a thesis, a main claim, or a hypothesis, I can enter it here. I can edit the public access for my paper for collaboration. If I'm working in a group or with the partners to write this paper, I can turn on sharing. And I can also share this with my teacher. So under sharing and collaborations, you can share it with your teacher and you can share it with a peer who you might be working with. You can also add to-do items to keep yourself organized as you go through. So the first thing I need to do is find an article for a fun fact about, let's say, Germany. And I need to do this to-do item today. But I also need to find a map to use to find the location. And that probably won't get done today, so I'll make that due date tomorrow. So as I go through these things, I can mark them completed as I go and stay organized.